Hi, Agent Blazers. I'm Jennifer Lee, Lead Admin Evangelist at Salesforce. Imagine transforming your library into a personalized reading sanctuary. Librarians have tons of data at their fingertips, like customer preferences and book inventory, but improving the customer experience is key. Enter our librarian agent. It helps librarians recommend the perfect book, check availability, and even automate checkouts and renewals. Take Taylor Swift, for example. She loves murder mysteries and audiobooks, but avoids short reads and country homes genre. With just a click to activate the Litblazer agent, librarians can deliver tailored recommendations effortlessly. So let's ask it to provide recommended books for Taylor Swift. Great, so it had these recommendations, but Taylor is looking for a specific book. So we're going to ask, do you have The Secret of Flow available? And it appears that that book is available. So we're going to ask it to check out the book. Great, it's been successfully checked out. Now, Taylor's going to be traveling for a while, so she wants to extend the checkout duration. Great, so it's been renewed. Now let's go into Agent Builder to see how the magic comes to life. So I already loaded it with all the prompts that you saw in the previous demo. So now let's see what the agent does behind the scenes. We asked the agent to provide the recommended books for Taylor Swift. It selected the book recommendations topic. It used the identify record by name standard action that passed over Taylor Swift to get the ID. It then used the prompt template book recommendation. Now this one is pretty cool. Now when we go look at that prompt, we'll see that it generates a book recommendation based on search results for our contact. And we're using a retriever for Einstein search with the vector database semantic search to find similar books based on the contact's attributes. And that's pretty cool. Agentforce is able to understand the meaning behind your queries, delivering highly relevant results quickly. Okay, so back over in Agent Builder. Our next prompt is, do you have The Secret of Flow available? Our agent selects the book actions topic. It invokes the standard action query records, where it takes that query and it finds the asset. And then it invokes another prompt template called check book availability. Here, we're taking the on-hand count and asset name and letting the librarian know whether it's on hand or not. So back over in Agent Builder, our next prompt here is I like to check out the book. So our agent uses the book actions topic. And this time we're using a custom flow action called check out the book. And this is a auto launch flow that finds the asset and then updates the asset to remove a book. So -1 from the inventory, and then sets a success message. And our last prompt asks the agent to extend the checkout duration. So again, the agent selects the book actions topic and invokes the flow action called request a renewal. And this is another fairly simple auto launch flow that gets the asset using the asset ID and creates a renewal record for that asset and sets a success message. And that's how we use Agentforce to build a librarian agent that recommends books, checks availability, and automates checkouts and renewals, all tailored to individual preferences. A shout out to the team who built this agent.